Selling supplements to international customers. Many brands notice a spike in declined payments once foreign currencies enter the mix, even when customers have money ready to buy. Here's a quick manual way to see how multi-currency payments work. Look for guidance about approval rates, supported currencies, and how processors handle foreign transactions. These articles show how common declines often come from mismatched currencies or unsupported card types. It is useful context, but on its own, it won't stop payment failures from happening. When you start accepting orders in multiple currencies, your approval rate can drop, not because your customers did anything wrong, but because your processor flags those transactions as unusual. That's where EasyPay Direct helps. Their system uses transaction routing and decline recovery to stabilize approvals for supplement and nutraceutical merchants. Transactions are distributed intelligently across accounts, helping you reduce declines and keep international orders running smoothly. And here's something worth noting from their FAQ. A nutraceutical merchant account is designed for supplement and vitamin businesses, allowing them to process payments securely and reliably, no matter where their customers are. That secure setup is what keeps international payments flowing smoothly. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description so you can see how their multi-currency processing works and check if your supplement business qualifies. Global sales shouldn't come with constant declines. With EasyPay Direct, your international customers can buy confidently, and your supplement business can process payments reliably across currencies. The link to get started is right there in the description when you are ready.